Time to up the dish. How high? 3 stories. Triple-decker beet red velvet cake with goat cheese icing, toasted pecans, and powdered beet chips. Beet puree, cooked beets, buttermilk, and lemon. Vanilla, make sure you get the real stuff. I owe a lot of my baking skills and passion for desserts to pastry chef Tony Achitola. The first time I crumb-coated a cake took 30 minutes. And in all honesty, it was a complete disaster. Tony fixed it in 30 seconds.
So when Missy says a crumb coat, she means a thin layer of icing you put on a cake to keep the crumbs from messing up the second yummy outer layer of icing. Bakers are so smart.
Remember Mika's goat cheese? I couldn't resist. Some of Poppy's sour cream too? Why not? That's really good. Cakes for birthdays, weddings, dinner with friends. Cakes inspire joy. That's why they taste so good. fantastic. Totally not a disaster. Tony, you'd be proud.